Alright, hello everyone. Alright, so today I wanted to show you how to show hidden files in Finder. So I'm going to open Finder and I'm going to navigate to my user directory. So let's go to Documents, right click on Documents and go to my user directory. Or if you wanted to know the full path, you can right click on that, go to Macintosh HD, your hard drive, the top of your hard drive, open your users directory, and then you will find your user directory here. So mine is Kakraditome. So this is what I see in my user directory. If I'm going to go ahead and open the terminal. In the terminal, by the way, I forgot to change the background red. For some reason, I liked this red when I was working on something in the past, and I forgot to change it. So bear with me here. I know it's really bright. All right. So in my terminal, if I type in pwd to print my working directory, I'm currently in my user directory, Kakraditome. If I do an ls to list all the files and folders or directories in this directory, in this user directory, I see exactly what I see here in Finder. Applications desktop, all of that. But then there are some hidden files in this directory that we don't see. To see that in the terminal, you type in an ls-la and it shows you all files. You can see on the right over here, we can still see applications desktop, but we can also see some files that begin with a dot. These dot files are not shown over here in Finder, and to see it in Finder, make sure the Finder window is active and hit Command Shift and then the period. So Command Shift full stop, I guess. So Command Shift period will show you all the files. So all of a sudden you're seeing .bash history, .bash profile. They're also here. .bash history, .bash profile. So that's how you see it in Finder. If you wanted to take it hide it again, you can hit the same command shortcut, Command Shift period, and it hides it. So that's how you do it in Finder. In the terminal, do not worry about the commands that I used. I am going to be creating an entire Unix playlist that will show you how to use the terminal with multiple commands, how to be comfortable with it and play around with it and do some really cool things with the terminal. So don't worry about that. A Unix playlist is coming. But today I wanted to show you this nice little shortcut in Finder to show hidden files and hide hidden files. Alright, so if you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you next time in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.